What's going on, you to the tubes? Scabby sliding sideways, RC here. At you with another quick look at Pop's rig here, y'all. Got them all squared away. We got the Chameleon in it, the Furitek Chameleon. So it's got the Furitek Chameleon, Lizard Pro. It's just kind of thrown in together, you guys. I got it back all together today, and we're gonna take it for a run, boys and girls. So let's throw some juice to it, get it rolling. All right, you guys, here we go. This is kind of the first shakedown of it. I really don't know how it runs. I'm not a real brushed fan. Alright, see if we can get up in there, eh, boys and girls, huh? Whoa. Bucking out the chute. Rush to get it done. Aha! Alright, you guys, coming back down. You know, it's for a brush motor on the Lizard Pro, this thing's really not that bad, you guys. Got an Emax servo on it. It's just what came with it, you guys. Yeah, that's how he gave it to me. You know, so. But I don't know, you guys, just for a short little run. I don't have the course really all put together. I just kind of got this together right now. I had to tear it apart when we were getting that new furnace in, but I like the ability. I mean, look at that slow crawl. There we go, folks. There we are. Look at that. Alright, you guys, well, there it is. There's Pop's rig in all his glory. I love it, you guys. There you go. So yeah, I felt like it. I actually want to try. I think I'm gonna put Tony's motor in there and just give it a whirl. I'm gonna put the baby Goliath in there. See how that is. See if it's any different versus the Chameleon. All right, you guys. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. You always want to be notified when Scabby's doing some. You know, something. Anything, really. Alright, you guys. Peace!